So you want to know how to repeat something a set number of times. That's what for loop node does. It's perfect when you know exactly how many times you want to perform an action. Now to get it, you want to right click and then you will call for loop. Now when you type for loop, you will see for each loop with break. But what you want is for loop. Now just click on that and you will get this node. For now we will use this one and we have even begin play. So we'll connect this into this, and then there is index 0. It always starts from 0, and or you can just change it wherever you like. But for now, we will just keep it 0, and then we will keep it like 10. So this is good. It will perform from 0 to 10, like 11 times. So in the loop body, what we will do is we will call print string, and you can just type anything. But for now, we will just print the index. Now, one thing to remember, which is very important, is that it will only take integer for the index. It's very obvious, but for some reason I just told you because it shouldn't be in confusion. It will only take integers here, and the index will stay the integer. Now, whenever the action is completed, the loop is completed, you can also perform an action. For now, we will type print string, and in this we will say like hello, or you can or maybe like done. This will like good. It will tell us that the loop is completed. So as we compiled it, now in the main map, we will just begin play. And as you can see, it just performed the loop. It was very short time. Let me just change that. Let's keep it for 10 seconds so it can stay there. And we can talk about how it works. So as you can see here, we will just again print this. And as you can see, it just started from 0 to 10. And then after completing the loop, it just showed us done. Now it have many use case scenarios, but you will use it for spawning multiple actors, looping through slot, or applying effect to groups. It's very useful node, but it is only useful when you know exactly how many times you need to make it happen and make it run. Otherwise, it can perform an error. So it's a good node, but only when you know exactly how many times you like to perform an action or how many times you need to run a loop, and then you have already have index number, and that's it. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.